In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on SLP future while examining the smooth love elixir cost conjecture for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like smooth love elixir. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the smooth love mixture value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that SLP is a wise venture or not. For what reason will SLP succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will smooth love elixir value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 0420 plus 4.51% $0 0031 2023 04 210.52% $0 0029 2023 04 22 plus 4.54% $0 0031 2023 04 234.00% $0 0028 2023 04 24 plus 3.54% $0 0031 2023 04 25 plus 0.56% $0 0030 2023 04 261.55% $0 0029 2023 04 272.58% $0 0029 2023 04 28 plus 1.51% $0 0030 2023 04 292.84% $0 0029 2023 04 304.12% $0 love elixir value expectation 2023 high expansion and very perilous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 May 20.41% $0 0024 2023 June 32.31% $0 0020 2023 Joel 20.01% $0 0024 2023 AUG 15.81% $0 0025 2023 SEP 9.52% $0 0027 2023 OCT plus 1.24% $0 0030 2023 NOV plus 9.13% $0 0032 2023 DEC plus 16.84% $0 0035 2024 JAN plus 27.40% $0 $0038 2024 Feb plus 35.35% $00040 2024 Blemish plus 40.35% $00042 2024 APRA plus 57.50% $0 Value Expectation 2025 Our forecast model sees SLP coming to $0 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2030 to 2040 What Smooth Love Elixir will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to 1 cent in 2030. What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2040? Our Guajing model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to 3 cents in 2040. Will Smooth Cherish Elixir supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Elixir won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Smooth Adore Mixture reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Mixture can reach 10 cents yet just in the removed future, after 2030. Could Smooth Cherish Mixture reach $1? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Smooth Adore Elixir reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Could Smooth Adore Mixture reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Is Smooth Love Mixture worth purchasing? We are backers of respectably unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Smooth Love Mixture merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Elixir a wise speculation? Smooth Love Mixture is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Adore Elixir be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or much higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture succeed and get more expensive? Smooth Love Mixture has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Smooth Love Elixir ascending to 1 cent in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing methodology, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Smooth Cherish Elixir go? Our determining model sees Smooth Love Mixture value detonating and coming to 3 cents in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Smooth Love Mixture? Smooth Love Mixture will reach $0 the following 90 days, which is a 41.8% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $0. Could Smooth Cherish Elixir make you a tycoon? Indeed, assuming that you purchase